Hello beautiful babes, welcome into the channel. This is your girl Sweet Angel. If you're new to the channel, we want to welcome you. If you're here and have been here time and time again, welcome back. Y'all know how to stay in the know with me, right? All you have to do is subscribe. Just press the little bell and you will get a notification each time I upload. If you don't, that means you need to hit it again. Definitely. Y'all, before I go further into the video, let me go ahead and start off by saying I want to thank our sponsor of today's video, which is Pureauty Naturals. If you followed me for a while, you already know that I do and love me some Pureauty Naturals. From their scar cream to their eye creams. And guess what we have today to talk about is their new skin tag formula that they have. And y'all, let me just tell you, I don't need any notes to share with you my own personal experience with using this skin tag formula. First, let me just share with you, it comes in this convenient, sleek little tube here, and it also has a doe foot applicator, which makes getting to those skin tags easy, simple, and convenient to apply 2 to 3 times a day. And the other thing I love about it, y'all already know how I am definitely an Amazon fanatic. It is sold right on Amazon. You don't have to go any further to look for your favorite and the best skin tag remover I've ever used outside of mixing my own formulas up. This one is definitely one to keep. This skin tag remover is non-greasy and it's like a cream, but it's also mixed with essential oils and a Pureauty Natural advanced formula to help reduce the appearance of those pesky skin tags and even moles. Now I'm talking about it, but yes, this is something that both men and women can use. This formula is so gentle on the skin that it's going to help no matter the skin type. It's good for all skin types. Applied directly to the skin tag. It's going to help to soften that area, soothe the area, and soon you will find that that skin tag has reduced in size. Before applying it, just simply wash the skin with a gentle cleanser and apply directly on the skin tag. You can repeat this, as I mentioned earlier, 2 to 3 times per day. And certainly individual results may vary, but if you have smaller skin tags especially, you will see this serum work over time to help diminish the appearance of those skin tags. For sure, good results do take time. It contains a powerhouse of ingredients that will include things like glycolic acid, willow bark extract, and sugar maple extract. These will all work together and have been hand selected due to each of their effectiveness in encouraging more rejuvenated, smoother, softer looking skin. Skin tags can be so bothersome. I know that for myself. I've told you about my experience with, when you wear a turtleneck, when it gets cold, how your turtleneck can get hooked on the skin tags and cause just such irritation. And a lot of people do find them very embarrassing. They like to hide as much as they can. I get mine primarily on my neck area. Some people even grow them on their face. This is a gentle formula to help with those skin tags. Now, even though skin tags are not harmful in any way, they're just a little bit irritating sometimes. Now let me just remind you that daily application of the skin tag remover is necessary in order to see results. This serum is hydrating, so it'll help keep the skin hydrated during this time, healthy and soft, while diminishing the appearance of your skin tags. I'm so glad that Pureauty Naturals reached out to me. That is an issue that I do have, and even though mine are not super profound, for the most part, I can easily cover up my neck area to hide them. I have really been working trying to remove them, and this Pureauty Naturals skin tag remover is the way I'm going at this time. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel. Thanks again, Pureauty Naturals, for gifting me this product and sponsoring today's video, and so I can share your amazing product with my viewers. I thank y'all so much for hanging out with me today. If you found this video helpful, it would do me so great and help my channel so much if you do rate it and give it a like. And definitely, if you have not subscribed to the channel, it's a good time to do that. It is absolutely free, don't cost you nothing. Hit that post notification bell and you'll be in the know the next time I have something to share with you. I assure you, you will not regret it. More videos to come right here, beautiful babes. And you know what? It won't be long. In the meantime, go ahead and do me a favor and share me with your world. And I will see you on the next one. Toodles.